All right, so tonight we're going to do the whole enchilada, which is why I called this the whole enchilada. And you can find all the code at GitHub goes to 11. That's me right there. Do you realize, I was going to say that's me when I was younger, but do you realize every time you look at a picture of yourself, you're looking at a picture of yourself when you were younger? Isn't that an interesting thought? And here's Golang Web Dev. And so we are in the 0 temp, and we'll be doing 88 whole enchilada. So we're going to do web app connected to Postgres, and then push it up to DigitalOcean and get it all running up on DigitalOcean. If it all works. So we're going to start with package main. Is this helpful to you? Am I giving you something helpful? Let me see your hands if it's helpful. Helpful. Cool. Z's just kind of non-committal night. Jeff.
I was actually going to say, including a database and getting something on a server was actually probably the thing that excited me the most.
Do gold number 1, right? Yes.
And there's so much to learn. It's almost like I wish it was introduced like earlier, like little bites and pieces.
What's to learn about it?
Maybe just like, all right, let's make this application, but now let's incorporate a little bit of Postgres. Let's incorporate some data. You know how we were passing data to our templates. Well, let's start putting our data on Postgres and then pulling that data and passing it to our template.
Yeah.
And now let's get it online, or maybe like we're learning the server. It's like, well, let's just before we do anything else, let's get that up somewhere so you can access it from any device. And now let's take a little detour, start incorporating a little bit of databases, and then now let's add that to our site. Now let's scrap all that and do it from scratch, like a little project type of thing.
Totally love it. Sounds like you're a budding teacher.
No, it's just like I just got really interested in it.
Yeah, no, I think we should totally future courses. I don't know. It's a lot of information. Usually this would be a 2-semester class, 1 semester to learn the language, and then 1 semester. But work with what you got. So we'll do templates, and this is a pointer to from package template type template, and multiple options. So I have to hit Control Enter. No, I hit Option Enter and multiple choices, and I want HTML. And then TPL is equal to TPL to template.must and template.parseGlob, and pattern is going to be templates /star.go HTML. And then func main, we're going to have hp.listen and serve :8080 nil, and then we're going to have hp.handlefunc pattern, and this will be index or home. I don't know, index. I still totally remember the days of the web where it was. It just feels like it was yesterday. It just feels like a dream. Where it was like 98, and you're just looking at a web page. You guys remember the first time you saw a web page?
Yeah.
What year was it? Wasn't that amazing? Wasn't that amazing? You're like, whoa.
We had a computers class. I went to middle school at Computech, and computers consisted of just teaching us how to type. And then my 8th grade year, I don't even know what program it was. It was like an old Macintosh. We made pages, but it wasn't like HTML. It was some, I don't even know what it was.
Dreamweaver.
Probably Dreamweaver. So I remember making buttons, and they were very basic, very rudimentary. And that's like when they fully started trying to teach us computers a little bit more serious.
Yeah.
Because videos
Yeah.
And then freshman year I took I think it was basic,
Yeah.
but the teacher didn't really care. None of the class cared. He cared more about his cross country team stuff.
Did he?
Yeah, I learned more from the guy sitting next to me.
That's too bad.
Yeah, he ended up going to jail. Cross country.
That's too bad. So I'll put my resources there. And to do resources, handle, and we're going to say, like, we'll put an image. And in that image, do we have an image? There we go. Oh, there's Skyfall. I want the dog. Whatever, we'll use Skyfall. From last week. And now we got to get that one going. So here we'll just put it here for a minute. And it's going to be SkyF. And we'll put this down here. And so anything that comes in at assets and down the line, we want to do http.strip prefix. And the prefix we're going to strip is assets. And then we're going to have another handle here, so we're going to do HTTP file server, and that's going to be http.dir. And if you're watching this online and you're like, what? Watch previous videos in this playlist, because we explain all this in the playlist. So now, when something comes in at assets, we're going to strip assets, and we're going to go into, from the current directory, go into resources. So let's see if that makes sense. So I say, hey, I want this to the server, and the server says, great, I handle assets. I'm going to strip off this. So we strip off this. And then we serve at ./resources, this directory, resources. We will have a /image. So that looks right, doesn't it? Reading it? Yeah? How many people say yeah? All right, I say yeah. I think it looks right. So I think that's it. We have our basic little deal running. It seems totally simple, right? Tonight, doesn't it seem like, oh, got that. How many people are in that category? Cool. Let's see if it's running. Yeah, we got skills. So next step's going to be connected to Postgres, and we'll do that in the next video.